Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Okay, so we have two methods how we can restart this device. First method is a simple reboot using the power menu. This method is of course recommended when the screen is responsive and basically when everything is fine and when the device isn't frozen. So to perform a reboot, all we need to do is to launch the power menu. We do it by holding the power button and volume down button for around 1.5 seconds. So let's hold both of the buttons. Okay, now all you need to do is to simply tap on the restart, then tap again, and after that your device will be turned off. After a few seconds it will be turned on and again ready to use. When it comes to the second method, which is called the forced restart, it's recommended, for example, when the screen is unresponsive, when the device is lagged, frozen, and when it's not working properly. So to perform a forced restart, again we need to use the power button and volume down button, but this time we need to simply keep holding until the device turns off. So keep holding both of the buttons. We need to keep holding. Okay, and now when the Samsung logo appears, we can release our fingers and within a few seconds the device will be ready to use. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.